I'm Peet. I'm the owner and founder of RAW Modular, formerly RAW Studios. We are here today with the Pretoria Institute for Architects and a group of professionals that are members at the Institute.
This workshop is all about engineered timber and the digital design process for manipulating the timber into products and architectural systems, really around different ways that timber is constructed and used, and the digital tools that we use to cut it. The people that are part of this workshop are architectural professionals from the Pretoria and Gauteng area, and this workshop is really to expose them to wood and wood manufacturing, everything from plywood manufacture to CLT and other wood construction systems and techniques. So this is an example of a chair that is currently busy being CNC'd, and the chair is sort of used as part of the illustration to explain the different techniques and tools that are used when cutting, in this case, birch plywood.
The idea is to get these professionals up to speed with what can be achieved in a digital environment as far as manufacturing and design is concerned, and also the possibilities of using mass timber and engineered timber products in a digital fabrication environment to solve projects that they are working on. From all of us at RAW, thank you so much to the sponsors who help make this possible. Universal Plywood, AM.CO, Advanced Machinery. These guys are not just businesses, they are team players. They won't let you down. And to the Pretoria Institute for Architects for organizing this course, for organizing the event that we had last night. It's been a total blast.